Hi, this is Ellen from Health Aspire. Today I'm going to be making salmon fish cakes. They're super easy to do. I'm going to use tin salmon, although you could use tuna if you wish, some instant mashed potato, an egg, so you've got some extra protein there, it's going to bind them together, a little bit of corn flour, some mixed herbs, and then just a bit of oil to fry them. If you didn't want to make them into a fish cake, you could kind of do like a salmon hash, like a corned beef hash, but with salmon. And you could make these ahead and pop them in the freezer, so you've got them to heat up in the oven or air fryer in the future. But really balanced. I'm going to serve these with some mixed beans, which I'll explain at the end. So here we have our salmon fish cakes. I've served these with what's called mixed beans. So in supermarkets they'll either be known as 5 beans or mixed beans. So they're basically baked bean sauce, but you've just got different beans in there. So the more variety, the better for your diet, for your gut health. So try them, I'm sure you'll like them. Enjoy!